Checking out the GoTrax A7 e-scooter. Now this is a great way to get around. It's got a range of about 25 miles per charge, and the top speed on this one is just about 20 miles an hour. So good power on this one. It really scoots. 500 watt continuous output with a 750 watt peak rating. We also have a GoTrax 20-inch R1 folding e-bike, which is an absolute kick. So when I started looking at scooters, I definitely thought of GoTrax first, and this A7 has not disappointed. The trend on these scooters is to have a wider deck, and this GoTrax is probably the largest foot space that I've seen. Plus, it's got a unique feature of fold-out pegs. Instead of a traditional applied grip tape there, this one actually features a rubber overmold, so that gives you really good traction. Plus, I just think it looks sharp. It's got a large, comfortable seat, and honestly, one of the most generously sized storage compartments below the seat. It's zippered from both sides, and there's no battery or anything under there. This is all just for your cargo and storage. Throw in that rear basket and you've really got some spaces to store your goods. Plus, I really like the tail light with integrated brake light. Nice. And there's a nice bright LED headlight that comes on with the turn of the key. Otherwise, the controls are super simple. It's a twist throttle on the right is the way this scooter is laid out. So half of the grip on that right hand is twistable for your throttle, and the rest gives you a nice little perch for the heel of your hand. Very comfortable grips on that. You get disc brakes front and back, and we found that gives you a pretty smooth and confident stopping. Other than that, there's just a manual bell to let people know you're coming. There's no shifter, there's no derailleur to worry about. Very, very simple controls on this one. There's even a hook for a bag right on the stem there. Convenient. These are available in 14 or 16-inch wheel sizes. This one is the 16-inch model, and I think that's part of what makes it feel so comfortable for an adult rider. And did I mention this baby is full suspension? So not only do you have the typical front shocks, but you've got MX-style rear shocks on this scooter as well. So while this one is primarily designed for paved surfaces, if your trail turns to gravel for a bit, this full suspension will have you covered. The tread is described as on-off road, but I'd call it more of an aggressive street tire. Very smooth on the pavement, yet it's capable and has nice grip. And the handlebar stem is even foldable, so that makes it even more compact to fit in a vehicle. Now, as promised, let me share with you the hidden feature on this controller. After 15 seconds that the wheels don't sense any motion, it'll automatically go into the park mode. Now you may be frustrated by that and start hitting the M button, wondering why you're not in gear, and you twist the throttle and nothing happens. Here's the trick for that. Once it's in the P mode, all you do is grab either brake and it'll immediately go back into the previous mode that you had. Looks like I was in the first power assist level, and that's right back where I'm at. Motor activated, we're ready to go. And there's 2 power assist levels, 1 for an easy cruise, or 2 if you really want to zip. I've been so happy with my R1 20-inch folding e-bike that I was pretty sure I was going to select a GoTrax for my scooter, and this A7 certainly didn't disappoint. So this e-scooter is great for all ages, but if you're trying to keep up with friends and family that ride e-bikes, this scooter may just be the ticket. So overall, I think this GoTrax A7 would be a great choice. It's just a really robust scooter. In fact, it's the nicest one I've ridden.